Hey, what's up, y'all? Terry Warfield. Hope y'all having a good night, man. It is late. It's almost like 11 o'clock, and I'm wore out. But real quick, if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, make sure you drop a hashtag up in here so I know you're up in the comments. And you know what? When I pulled up, it was like super eerily quiet, like scary movie quiet. Might be scared. But yeah, man, so even though it's all creepy and dark, I came to give you guys a story, all right? Something I've been really wanting to tell y'all for a minute. I just haven't found the time, but I got nothing but time right now. Wife at work, kids downstairs. They chilling, so I'm about to tell y'all this story. So rewind back to like 2011, 2012. Here I am sitting at Chase Bank. Mind you, I had no kids or nothing at this time, making like 70 grand. So, you know, life was good. I was buying what I wanted to buy, XYZ. And, one day I'm sitting at work on Amazon. You know what I did? I bought a camera. You know why I bought a camera? Because growing up, I always used to have a fascination for cameras. I remember my stepmother used to have this real shiny silver Pentax camera that she would never let me use. So every time she went to work, I would go sneak her camera. And, you know, I wouldn't put no film in it. I would just dry fire it just to have a sensation of holding this nice camera. So I always had a fascination for them ever since then. So fast forward again. So I'm sitting at work and I'm like, man, I got the money. I want a new camera. So I bought a new camera and started taking pictures, started doing videos and stuff like that. And here's what happened. People start hitting me up, asking like, yo, how much you charge for this? How much you charge for that? And here I am. Young, ambitious, everything. I'm like, man, people hit me up asking me for jobs. I'm making money. I'm making nice videos and pictures. Pfft, I don't need this job. So what did I do? I quit. I had no backup plan, had never run a business before, had no clue how to handle my first client by myself. And I did it anyways. And my friends told me I was stupid. Family told me I was stupid. Everybody told me I was stupid, but I did it anyway. So fast forward a few months after that, things got rough. Slow period came. I had no safety net, no backup plan. I ended up losing everything. When I say everything, I mean everything, all right? My truck got repoed. I got evicted because I couldn't pay my rent. Everything I had in storage lost. All the money I had put in 401k, savings accounts, business account was evacuated. I had nothing. I was literally sleeping on my brother's couch, trying to figure out how I was gonna eat the next day. And now I look back on it, I don't regret what I did. I regret not having a plan in place. No plan A, no plan B, no plan C in case plan A and B didn't go right. And I realized that you can't always plan for every single scenario, but it's always better to be a little prepared than not prepared at all. And I was not prepared at all. So fast forward a few years, you know, I was able to climb out the hole and get myself back on my feet. And now situations have changed. I'm a father, I'm a husband, so I have responsibilities. I have a family I have to take care of. So my decisions can't be drastic like they were before. Totally plan on going back to being an entrepreneur. And you know, to be honest with you guys, right now I have to work for somebody else. I hate it, but I have to do it until I can build this multi-level business plan to make sure that I don't fall victim to the same things I fell victim to before. So here's my message for today. Don't be scared to take risk. Sometimes you have to jump in the water to learn how to swim, but don't do like I do and just do it and not have a plan in place. Make sure you have a life jacket on. I'm also gonna let you know that when you decide to take things into your own hand and chase your dreams, you're gonna lose a lot of family. You're gonna lose a lot of friends because people fear what they don't understand. But I'm here to tell you today, if you got something you wanna do, you get to live once. Don't wait till you're 50 years old and be looking up at 50 like, oh man, I wasted all of these years. I really wish I would have done it when I said I was gonna do it, when I wanted to do it. Don't wait for that. If you have a dream, if you have a vision, go for it. Yeah, the first time I tried, I failed miserably at it, but I learned so much. I gained so much knowledge from it. The next time I go to take that leap of faith, I'll be ready and I'll be successful with it. And if you guys can't tell, I've been pumping out videos, man. I'm shooting videos, I'm getting clients in, and I'm really enjoying filming. So, you know, sorry if my YouTube has kind of took like a turn towards filming from my normal tech reviews and stuff like that. But who said I just got to do tech reviews? I love filming. I like camera gear. And I'm gonna start sharing my tips and tricks and, you know, presets and LUT packs and all that stuff for you guys. And I hope that you learned something from this video. I hope it was valuable to you in some type of way, yo, in some type of way. And my goal with this channel before year's end is, I know it's a big goal, but I'm not scared of goals. I want this channel to be at least at 10K by the end of this year, but I can only do that with your help. So I beg you guys, if you like the videos, if you like the content, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, do all of that. Whether you think it helps me or not, it really does. And at the end of the day, from all 3,730 some odd subscribers, I really appreciate every last one of y'all. And I hope to see a whole lot more of y'all on this channel. So I gotta go. I gotta make me something to eat. My wife about to be home. And that's it. So much love, y'all. Peace.